Google Ads grant not spending. So I have years of experience running regular lead generation and e-commerce ads accounts for clients, but I just got my first non-profit account around 6 months ago. As many of you know, Google has the ad grant allowing non-profits to get a free $10,000 of spend each month. Now I've been running these campaigns for about 6 months and can never get the whole account to spend even close to that. Maximum we are spending is $900. I have tried increasing budgets, creating micro conversions to help learning pace, broad match, phrase match, exec match, search campaigns, performance match, targeting the whole US, and still can't get any spend. Is there a trick with these accounts that I'm missing, or is this one of the Google beats and switch tactics of we say that we give users $10,000, but good luck spending anywhere near to close to that? Any insights is helpful over here. Okay, there are a few things you can do over here. Because it's limited to search ads, and you have because the grants is limited to search ads. It also has a $2 per click maximum. Okay, see around over here. You can focus on optimizing your quality score. Look around, because you can bid more than $2. So I think the main crucial role over here is your quality score. So work on focusing on your quality score of your campaigns account. That plays a crucial role in getting more mean or major out of your Google grants campaign. Also, I think that comparator analysis, where you may see around what kind of ads they are running, they can help you and figure out and tell you. Why don't you try running an SKAG campaigns, where for each key ad keyword there should be a different ad, and if possible a different landing page, dedicated landing page, so you can get the high quality score. SKG can help you. Also, ad optimization plays, this can help you in increasing your CTR. CTR has a CTR eventually, the quality score has two main components. Although they have three main components: landing page, CTR, quality, click-through rate, and relevancy. So the more the relevant your ad, keyword, and landing pages, the better the quality score you are going to get, along with higher the CTR you are going to get. So its a quality score is now divided into three things: landing page, relevancy, and CTR. So focus on it, with the major part depending upon CTR, and then relevancy and ads simultaneously. So just focus on creating small campaigns and different campaigns, and with all of the single keywords, dedicated keywords, high quality. Why don't you do dynamic search ads, where you put something like this, where your ad headline changes into whatever the query is being searched. This can also help you. Also, I think that in my opinion, your CTR, you didn't discuss regarding the CTR, how much CTR you are getting, and are you optimizing your Google Ads account? Are you doing any negative keywords insertion? I know you will not be doing it. Why? Because you wanted to spend your all $10,000, but believe me, this is not possible if you just focus on getting more traffic. Google is primarily driven on getting on relevant and targeted traffic. So focus on getting that traffic. If you just want a general traffic, no, search campaign is not for you, specifically with Google ad grants. Now, if you are spending money, you can waste your money with broad match. But here, try to understand the scenario is different over there. Okay, and apart from quality score, your CTR, and then see around what kind of people are converting, and then if you do comparator analysis, you may figure out what kind of keywords they are targeting, what kind of locations they are targeting. I'm sure they may be running Google Ads grant as well, because if you are running it, they are running it. Now Google Ads grant is for non-profit organization, so focus on those and try to get the data as much, and then we can optimize based on that data as well, on where they are targeting, and this can help you. So I think that you are being misled over here, and I hope my questions, concerns, answers your question regarding why Google Ads grant is not spending. But in either way, if you need a professional help, you can hire me and my team as a Google partner company. We can help you. We can help clients who are based in UAE, and we love forward working with you. If you want to hire me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description or in the first comment. We are a Google partner and offer ample of services. So thank you for watching. I hope this answers your question, and I look forward working with you. Take care. Bye bye.